First of all, how are you, sir?
I'm fine.
Your name and where you come from?
Martin from Durban.
I'm guessing this is not your first time.
Yes, it's not my first time.
And you are clearly with your friend, and I'm sure he's not your only friend. There are other friends that never came. Why did they not come, and what can you say to them?
It depends, you know, you have to plan for it before you come. So we already planned, you know, that will be in this July.
You look and smell like money. Let's talk about the shades.
The shades.
Let's talk about the. I mean, okay, first shade game. Are you the teller or not when it comes to price? Price?
Price was 15 grand.
Damn. That's a G, right?
Yes, that's a Gucci.
Yes, of course. And when it comes here,
Sorry. Versace. 18 grand.
15 Gucci, 18, and then the pants
10 grand.
and the shoes.
4 grand.
Whoa! Coming over to you, sir. Starting with the. I'm good. How are you, sir? DJ who?
Uno.
I can already see Versace written on the hair, the eyes.
Correct, that's correct.
How much is that one?
No, it's like 8 grand.
8 grand. And the shirt?
Shirt 4.5.
And the pants?
The chin is like 2 grand.
It's like 2 grand, like it's nothing. And the shoes?
1.8. I know it's nothing much on the shoes. I'm a teacher. I don't spend so much.
What kind is the dip house? I'm guessing dip house.
Comb.
Gom is the way to go.
Two also play deep house.
What do you guys think about Amapiano as a new sound coming in to the industry?
Yo, my piano, they can't win here in Durban.
They can't win?
In Durban, but they are nice.
They're nice.
They call me in Durban.
Well, I don't come from Durban, but last night when I was clubbing, I had Amapiano playing and everybody was crazy.
Exactly, it's good sound, but Comb is number one.
It will rain forever. Thanks, guys. Have an awesome day.